Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix battery drain issues on iPhone 17. So first of all, you can enable low power mode on your iPhone because it reduces power usage by turning off the listening features like background app refresh and some visual effects. In order to do so, you have to open settings on your iPhone and then scroll down to the battery section, then open it. Scroll down to power mode and enable low power mode manually by switching this toggle to the right. However, if you don't want to use the power mode, low power mode on your iPhone, there are still many steps in order to fix this problem. First of all, update your iPhone. In order to do so, make sure that you have an internet connection, then go to general section in your settings, then go to software update and check if there are any updates available for your device. And if there are updates available, then update your device. Take your time. Sometimes it fixes issues with battery, especially if it's listed on the in changes. Next step is reducing screen brightness on your iPhone. To reduce your iPhone's screen brightness, return back to settings, then go to the display and brightness section. And now to reduce brightness manually, you have to move this slider to the point where your brightness is lower, but you're still comfortable with using your device the way it looks. Next, disable always on display feature that is located farther on this page. Tap right here and switch it off by switching the toggle to the left. Besides, you can turn off or on the auto brightness on your phone. To do so, you have to open accessibility, then go to display and text size, scroll all the way to the bottom of the list, and then either disable or enable auto brightness. If you see that the auto brightness sets your brightness to the higher level, then surely disable it by switching the toggle to the left, and then adjust the brightness once again in display and brightness section. Also, manage notifications and widgets. So to manage notifications, you have to go into notifications, then select the app you don't want to receive notifications from, and just to disable notifications, just switch the toggle to the left. Now, by receiving less notifications, your battery will be less used, since one less app will be fetching data about anything happening within it, and so the same goes to widgets, especially the widgets that are placed on your lock screen. So if you have any widgets on your lock screen, in my case I don't have any, but if you do have any widgets, then remove them, because they are fetching data to update data on your lock screen. That means that your iPhone is discharging when it's locked. So in order to remove the widgets from your lock screen, you have to hold your finger down on the lock screen, then unlock your phone, and then select customize at the bottom, then select the widgets menu. Let's pretend that it was here already. And now to remove a widget, you just have to tap the minus icon in the top left corner of it. So that's how you do it, and it's also a very, very useful tip. And the last step is checking your battery health. So in order to check your battery health, you have to go to settings, find battery menu, scroll down, find open battery health, and here you can check the maximum capacity, which indicates your battery health level. If the maximum capacity is significantly lower than 100%, you will get a notification that you should visit an authorized Apple service for battery replacement, and in such case that's the only thing that will fix your battery drain issues. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it, and if you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.